Okay, hi, we ordered this. And,
You mean I ordered this?
I helped Zach order it. Can you open it up? So Zach ordered this car off of eBay. It's a Lamborghini Veneno alloy die-cast model. It's 1/32 scale and it's a gold color. And I wasn't sure. Well, it's free shipping too. I thought that was a great deal. Wasn't sure what to expect, for that price. It's not a lot, but we're pretty surprised at the quality. Let's check it out.
This is my bubble wrap.
Okay, Zach.
So this is the Veneno. Look at that back. Look at the back of it. That back of it is really cool. Let's open this thing here. Oh,
that is nice. That is nice.
Okay, let's. Whoa! But just look at that. And that.
Okay.
Cool sound effects.
Sit. Just hold it.
It has a siren. That's.
It came with some batteries.
I would take them in the frames. Okay, here it has an opening back. There's that back. It's golden.
It's golden.
And sound effects.
Look at the lights. The lights go on. Did you see the front lights go on? They go on. And it has I think it's called a dove wing doors. Show how the doors work. See how the doors go up.
And it's a pullback.
It's a pullback. Oh.
That is one beautiful car.
We're not going to end this quite yet because you can have a little check inside of there. There, look at that. This is one beautiful car. I had no idea. Oh, I know what these are for. Okay, so these are supposed to stand up like that. Wow, look at that. And this is from very far away. That's why these look like that. So, yep. But who cares? But just look at that. Here's the side. Here's it open. Oh, there's the backlights. See? And look at the back of that. And the other side. The bottom isn't.
It's a plastic bottom, right? What's the top made out of?
It's metal. Okay, bye-bye. Thumbs up. Please don't do a thumbs down. And nice to meet you. We love you guys.